Grandmother. Shelby, slide back down it. Slide down it.
No, it's my boots, but they're at the bottom. They're not made for snow.
Let me get. I think you gotta go get in that soft stuff.
Yeah.
You're not gonna make a snow angel there.
That's not a ripper.
You wanna go find some more? Hey, throw a snowball at my belly. Not the camera, on my belly. At my belly. Aim good. Ah! Huh? Chunk 'em?